So, made a little upgrade on the homemade sander that I made. Alright, so I usually just patex this onto here just to keep it on, and when it's done, like, whip it off, patex on a new piece. But I think I'm going to upgrade that. I normally use this sander, which use Velcro stick on and off, make life easy. So I ordered some Velcro online. I'm going to try it out with this sander.
Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
Okay, so they fit good, but already I can know there's going to be a problem. There's way too much material at the back. Let me show you. Way too much material back here. So when I spin it, it's going to get stuck on the bottom like this. So I'm going to have to cut these down to fit the size, which is fine. This will get a little loud. Alright, man, so that worked. So in the future, I want to upgrade this a little bit more, make this look a lot more polished, make it easier, probably make this swing out so we can change this easier instead of unscrew it. I'll do some more work to it in the future, but for now, this works and I can get back to doing a lot of sanding.